it's important to get to know your student success tools. Those tools are in your main menu in the top left-hand corner. From here, you will see your student app, which takes you to your home dashboard at any point and no matter what course you're in. Your grades is going to take you to an overview page of all the courses you're taking, and we'll learn about each of these in detail as you go through the course. This page is going to give you information such as start and end date, days left, your self-assessments, score, teachers, and your progress. The notes section is a place for you to take notes on the various courses you are completing, and you'll also be able to search through those notes. Communication is going to take you to the area where you can message your teachers and access course announcements. The calendar displays due date notifications that are color-coded by course, and you can select a date to view the list of activities. Below your student success tools are courses you are taking. At any point, you can click on any one course to view the activities and the grades. You'll see your student success tools will move to the top here. It's always a good place, if you get lost, to start at your dashboard and start over.